I have a lot of creative freedom. So even there's, I don't know if you've ever heard this adage, restriction breeds creativity. And so actually I find the most challenging briefs to be the ones where she's, oh yeah, just send us something. There's actually when you get into a job, I was, oh no, I need this, I need this, I need this, and this. Oh, how can I make this taste good? I like that challenge. That's really enjoyable. And then you get to the end of it, and you've done something quite good, and it's like, oh yeah, you know what? And then you see it on the shelf. That's very rewarding. And as much as you'd like to say, well, that's mine, I'm quite aware that I am a small part of that. But so, even just going one step back, that's been made in a factory, and I have nothing to do with it. But I'd say the other part of our job is we're very collaborative with our customers. So I will routinely speak with our customers alongside our account managers. So I'm not necessarily a salesperson, but I will be in the meetings and technical support and suggesting interesting solutions, appropriate solutions. And also we'll get the customers in frequently to visit our labs, or we might visit them. And so I'd either present, or we would work collaboratively on our lab benches to make something that, we can cut a whole month of development into a day that way, by getting somebody in and tasting with us rather than sending a bottle out, getting some feedback, sending another iteration out, getting some feedback over and over again, and those are really those collaborators, they're really enjoyable, and you form a lot of connections that way as well.